Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add paragraphs in HTML pages. You can use the paragraph tag provided by HTML to add a paragraph. Let's try an example to understand it better. So the paragraph tag is alphabet P enclosed in angle brackets. So angle brackets in P, and here you can add whatever text you want. So let's just say this is the text we want here. Let's save it. Let's run our live server. So right click, open with live server, and our web page is loaded. Let's bring up our code editor. Alright, so this is how it looks. Now suppose we want to emphasize on some words, so we can use the bold tag. So let's say we want this genius to be bold. So angle brackets B wrapped around our word, which is genius. Let's save it. And as you can see now, genius is bold. Similarly, if we want some text or phrase to be italics, we can just wrap that phrase or word in italics tag, so which is angle bracket and I. So angle bracket I, so opening tag, and then closing tag. Let's save it. And now as you can see, judge a fish is italics. Well, now for example, you want to have these sentences in different lines. So you cannot just bring it to next line, and let's say here also you want to bring it to next line. Even if you save it, HTML will still print it in the same line. So for that, we have two options. One, we can use a breakline tag. Another is pre-formatted tag. So let's try both. So to break a line, we can just use the breakline tag as we just discussed. So angle bracket BR and close the tag. Let's save it. And now as you can see, but if you judge is on the next line. Similarly over here, so breakline tag, and it will live its whole life in the next line. So this was one option. The other option was pre-formatted tag. So the way pre-formatted tag works is, so whatever and however you store inside the pre-formatted tag, it is printed as it is in the browser. So let's try that. So let's select everything, copy and comment this. Let's print it here. Let's remove all the break tags. If you save it, now again, everything is in one line. Let's just wrap it in pre-tag. Let's save it. And now as you can see, everything is still in the line. So if you want to change something, you can just do next line here. So next line. Similarly, we wanted the next line after the comma. So next line. Let's save it. And it's going to the next line with a tab because there's a tab spacing here. So let's just remove that. Let's save it again. Now as you can see, we have our different sentences in different line. And that's how the pre-formatted tag works. That's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.